can you brief me about your profile first?
Okay, so
In HashMap, can I use user-defined class object as a key?
yes, we can.
Okay, what the changes that we need to do?
Uh, we need to make it immutable.
Okay.
Yeah.
What anything else?
That's it. Like proper, if we make it properly immutable and write hash codes and equals method, because hash map generally have definition that keys should not be uh, duplicated. No? So we need to write proper hash code and uh, that equals method also, and make
So
it.
let's suppose that I have overridden both methods, but in hash code I return every time 5.
Mhm.
So what will happen? What the impact?
Uh, if we are returning constant value in hash code, so because internally hashmap uses some hashing function which is required to find the index. So if we are returning fixed value, so in that case we will it will return fixed index every time. So every entry will go on the same index, and performance will be degrade.
Okay. In REST API, what is the difference between post and put method?
Post and put. I think both can be used for updation only, but I'm not sure about. But post, I think post is secure.
Okay. So for create new resource, which method we will use?
Creating a new resource. Okay, okay. We can use post also, and we can use put also.
So is there any difference? I create new record by post, create new record.
I'm not sure about that. What is the exact difference between these two?
How we can send email in Java?
Uh, like I don't remember exact code, but yeah, there are APIs, SMTP or some protocol related API as there. We can use that, and we can send the. We need to set the body and recipients, senders in that, and there is option of send method is there.
Okay. Okay. In Hibernate, what is the difference between named query and native query?
Named query is like when we give uh, that query on the top of that variable na? On the entity or say class for which we are creating the model or something. So if we give that entity query on the top, then it is a named query only. We can use that.
Mhm.
Sorry. So if we are using that we can use that syntax will be like at the rate named query and key equal to uh, value. So we can use that key inside anywhere in the class, anywhere in the project. So that is named query. And another what you asked,
Native query.
native query is like we can directly use the SQL query, and it will execute that. uh, that native query.
Which is fast.
Uh, I think this named query would be fast because a named query is a uh, little bit similar to HQL, or it is using HQL related things. But native query is like directly we are writing SQL query directly, which may takes more time to execute. Means it will take time to understanding and all by the compiler, by the Hibernate.
Okay. What is the difference between delete and truncate command?
I think delete will delete the data, and truncate will truncate. I think truncate will uh, remove the table as well. I think.
Hello? Sorry, can you repeat again?
Yeah, yeah. So as per my like what I remember now, delete is to delete the particular row or something like that. But if we want to just clear all the data, then we can use truncate. And I think truncate will also be used to delete means remove the table also. I think.
Spring Boot. How can I create a scheduler?
Scheduler. I think we have to use some quads or like that things only, or we can go for Spring Batch. Particularly in Spring Boot, I never seen any type of scheduler.
Have you used REST template class?
Sorry,
Have you used REST template class?
REST template.
REST template.
REST template. I think yes, it is there in my project. Yeah.
Can you explain me in which scenario you can use?
REST template. Sorry, I'm not aware of this much.
Okay. Which design patterns that you work on or use in projects?
Mainly singleton and factory design pattern, and once I have used observer also.
Okay. And what is builder pattern? Do you know?
Builder pattern. Uh, yeah, give me 1 second. Yeah, I have worked, but I'm not able to recall it now. Maybe, uh, yes, something was there. No?
Okay, no issue. Do you know what is webhook in
Sorry,
REST API?
sorry.
Do you know what is webhook in REST API?
Webbook.
Yeah, webhook.
Lombok is there. I'm not aware of webbook.